Binance Airdrops, How to Find and Claim Free Crypto 2025 Guide. Did you know that you could earn free crypto just by holding tokens in your Binance wallet? That's right, no trading, no staking, just rewards falling into your account. In today's video, we're diving deep into Binance Airdrops, what they are, how to find them, and most importantly, how to claim your free tokens. If you're into passive income or just love free stuff, this is the video for you. So what exactly is a crypto airdrop? An airdrop is when a crypto project distributes free tokens to users, often to raise awareness, reward loyalty, or bootstrap their ecosystem. These giveaways can range from a few dollars to hundreds depending on the project. Airdrops are a popular marketing tool, and Binance is often involved in distributing them to eligible users. There are a few different types of airdrops you should know about. Standard airdrops, you simply hold a certain token at a snapshot date. Holder-based airdrops, rewards for holding specific coins like BNB, SUI, or Atom. Task-based airdrops, you perform social tasks like joining Telegram groups or sharing tweets. Launch pool or launchpad airdrops. Participate in staking or holding BNB to earn new tokens. Each type comes with different rules, so read carefully. Binance makes airdrops easy. If you're eligible, the tokens are automatically credited to your spot wallet. Here's how it works. Binance takes a snapshot of your balance at a specific date and time. If you meet the criteria, you'll see a notification in your wallet. You can check past airdrops under Wallet, Transaction History, Distribution. To stay ahead of the game, here's where you can find upcoming airdrops, Binance announcements page, launch pool, and launchpad sections. Follow Binance's Twitter and Telegram. Use crypto airdrop trackers like airdrops.io or CoinMarketCap's airdrop tab. Stay updated because many airdrops have a short window. Here are the most common eligibility requirements. Hold specific tokens in your Binance account at the time of the snapshot. Complete KYC verification on Binance. Participate in staking programs or launch pool events. For task-based airdrops, connect your social media and complete actions. Tip: holding BNB often increases your chances of being eligible. Let me show you how to check if you received any airdrops. Go to your Binance dashboard, click on Wallet, Overview, check the distribution section. You'll see tokens credited as airdrop or reward. If it's a manual claim, Binance will post instructions in the announcements, but 95% of the time, it's fully automatic. Want to get more from airdrops? Try these pro tips. Hold BNB consistently. Set Google alerts for Binance airdrop or new token listings. Use apps like CoinGecko, Airdrop Alert, or DApp Radar. Don't ignore NFT airdrops. Some are very valuable. Bookmark Binance's News and Launchpad section for early info. Unfortunately, airdrops also attract scams. Here's what to watch out for. Fake airdrop websites asking for private keys or seed phrases. Never share them. Phishing emails pretending to be Binance. Always check the sender. Dusting attacks. Small unknown tokens sent to your wallet could be traps. Always verify information through official Binance channels only. Airdrops are a great way to earn free crypto, especially if you're already holding or staking tokens. Remember, stay informed, stay safe, and don't fall for scams. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next big airdrop opportunity. Got any questions about airdrops on Binance? Drop them in the comments below. We reply to everyone. Like this video if you love free crypto, subscribe to stay updated with Binance tools, airdrops, and passive income strategies. Comment below. Have you ever received a crypto airdrop before?